Hey guys, it's Aurora here, and today I'm going to be playing some more Pirates Online. It's a fun game. 2-hit kill. Okay guys, see. Take all of his loot, 10 gold baby. See how much gold I got. Oh, I need some more gold. Some more gold. Okay. Missy. Okay, we're going to be selling out the queue, but that's why I'm killing these alligators to get more money. Oh god, I have 2. Let's get rid of this one. It's a level 5. Level 4, how much is him? Okay, let's get rid of him. First. Dead. Both of them. Die. Stop hump. You guys suck. They're trash at killing. What kind of miss was that? Okay. Oh, what a savage. What a great kill. Yay, what a great kill. Still 300 gold. I'm gonna eat him. Okay, that just lagged a little, sorry. Alright. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yay! Oh, yeah. Dead. Nope. Level 4. I'm gonna level up so quick. I got both of them. Great. Not when I tried to meant to get him. Okay, he's almost dead. Okay, yeah. Dead. This guy has no idea. Oh, dead. Oh, I found something. Tap. This is a level 5. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. 4 minutes. Sorry if you guys don't click off. Don't click off. We need to fight these alligators to get onto the boat. Still nothing. I'm gonna go find some more stuff to fight instead of just alligators. Wait, let's go to my map. Port Royal. We're going to Port Royal, guys. So yeah, Port Royal, Port Royal, yeah. Okay. Here. We're at Port Royal, baby. I love my F2, baby. Yay. Yay. Okay. Keep. Here's a guy that I can kill. Cadet. Dead. 26 rep. So we're going into the castle. I'm posting. I might post another video. Sorry if you can hear the music. Over there. Mom's playing some music. Okay. Going up. We're going up to where, like, it all happens. That's a hanging station. You didn't know? Yeah. So, they'll put you up here. Then they have a 15-inch rope. They put your neck right on your chest. See this floorboard? They drop it, and then you're instant dead. Yeah. And if you're like, I recommend 11 and up. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna be using my sword a lot against these guys because that's all we can use. Ooh, money. Please, money, please, money. We're level 8, guys. Okay, we're gonna fight this veteran. Let's search him. Here we go. This guy is so good. What? Can we use F2? Yeet! Oh! From behind! Yay! Yay! From behind again! From behind again! From behind again! From behind! From behind! Oh, don't die. Then we have to go to prison. Chill, guys. Healing. Yes. Hey. How the guys, we gotta leave. Jesus, the veteran's level 18. 10 minutes. 5 more minutes. Well, I'm gonna be recording for 5 more minutes, guys. Well, you know what? I'll just wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry we didn't get to go to Cuba. I promise, next video, we're going to Cuba. We're going to Cuba, guys, next video. Aurora, out. Bye.